Ladies, it's time to shine. It's time to be you, and it's time to make this guy fight for you. I know it's tough, you have a lot of feelings for him. You know that he's a good guy, but he's doing nothing. So in this video, I want to change my style a little bit because I want to share with you only 3 exercises. No more advice, no more talking, just 3 actions that we can do to be better, to feel better, because most of the time you will be very, very anxious. You will be in a position when you will walk on eggshells. And there is this moment where you ask yourself, what should I do? What is my solution? What are my solutions? How can I really shine? So by shining, I'm talking about how can you be positive? How can you put a big smile on your face? How can you feel great? Because that's how we can get the results we want. So, if you don't know what to do, let me tell you this. This is something very important. If you don't know what to do, men, we can feel it. We feel when a woman is anxious. We feel when she's scared. We feel when we are in control. And most of the time, we don't find it sexy. So exercise number 1 that I want you to create, I call it the power. The power of the vibration and the energy. And I learned about it during a coaching. So I was coaching an amazing woman who came to me and says, Alex, I want to be in a very amazing relationship. And I just asked her, what is it exactly? She went silent. Like, I want to be in a relationship, but what do you want to experience exactly? She was not able to tell me. So if you tell me, hey, Alex, I want to enjoy every single moment, great. But what do you want to do exactly? If you don't have clear answers, your energy will always be desperate. You will be the desperate single woman that just want to be with someone. And that is not sexy for a man. So exercise number 1, I want you to define exactly what are your desires, what are your wish, what are your needs, not just in a relationship, but also in the dating phase. Because if you know what you want to experience, your charisma will be over the roof. Your charisma will be so amazing that the guy will just respect you way more. And as you know, it's what I want for you. I want to make sure that they will respect you. I want to make sure that they will give you a lot of attention because we want those results. We want this for yourself, okay? So this will be exercise number 1. Exercise number 2, we need to create a method that will align your energy with your needs. What does it mean exactly? You cannot find a good man if you come to me and like I hear all the time, I don't feel good enough. Oh, that drives me crazy, ladies, because you are so amazing. Like I've coached comedian, I've coached entrepreneur, I've coached women that travel the world, I've coached women that love to sing, that coach women that have passions, that have a great personality, that loves to take care of themselves, and of course that loves to take care of others. So if you come to me and you say, look, I know that I will attract what I am. So if I attract someone, I cannot do it by thinking myself, I'm not good enough, I am ugly, I can't have a great relationship, I am part of the problem or I am the problem. No. What we really want to do is to create something where we will identify what we are. So I've coached an amazing woman who come to me and says, Alex, I am beautiful. And then she starts crying. And I realized that she didn't believe her words. So I asked her, no, what are you exactly? And she told me, look, Alex, I know I am kind. Great start. I know I have some ambition and I want to create my own business. Amazing. I know I can take care of myself because I go to the gym and I take care of my diet. So what I want you to do, exercise number 2, is to focus on this energy. And you need to write down for real your qualities. You need to write down for real, what do you love about you? Don't do it to please me. It's not necessary. I already love you. What I want you is to really work on who you are. And maybe you're not the most beautiful person physically. Like I'm not the most beautiful man. But when we go and me, myself, I was like, wow, I'm very kind to people. Number 2, I'm always there. If you need me, I'm always there. Those are very valuable lessons that I learned for myself. And I want you to do the same. So make sure that you really write down for this exercise number 2, this alignment between who you are and your energy. This is very important. Exercise number 3, this is when you start to hate me because of course I have to bring some push and pull exercises. It's what I call the energetic traction. So the traction is when we want to attract someone to us. We want to get someone. So if you tell yourself, okay, I know that my best qualities, he's missing my best qualities. I know he's seeing what he will lose. Ladies, this kind of reverse psychology for yourself is just very amazing and very important. So what I want you to create right now is this idea that you would tell yourself, what are the things that he is missing? What are the things that are your main qualities? If you're dating him, like he sees that, he knows that this is me. Not just your qualities as a partner or as a person, but your qualities of why should he act towards you? So let me be straightforward. One day I was coaching a woman and I said, okay, we need to make sure like he's missing something. And she came to me and she says, Alex, I have a good body. And she started to laugh and she says, look, I know he loves my breast. And she started to crack up. And I was like, this is good. We need to just that. We need to jot that. So every time I'm coaching you and we do this exercise, I want you to be silly. Sometimes, it's the fact that you have a good body that he would like to look, your breast, your eyes, your smile, all of those things that are your qualities, because it's how we can really create a new energy. It's how you will be able to make sure that this guy is here and he's like sees you shining, he sees your vibrations, he sees your energy. And so, to be honest, I've done so many coaching that I can realize when you're chilling a little bit, when you're not so confident. And so it's time for you to do these exercises to really work on your law of attraction. So my goal as a coach is to tell you like, look, we can do it. So if you want to talk to me, I will be your best friend. The link is in the description. We can do private coaching, but you can also just subscribe to this channel and like this video. You will realize that the more you work on your traction, which is mean like the more you work on what are my assets, like this is me. This is why I'm so amazing. This is why he's missing me. This is why he's thinking about me. This is very important for us, right? So I want to push you into this direction because like every of my clients, they were able to blossom. They become the most beautiful flower. And that's what I want for you. So remember that if you're part of this community, you will blossom and I will be your coach and I will follow you, help you, challenge you. Sometimes I will kick you in the butt, but always with good intention. So ladies, it's time to click in the description and go grab your gift and let me be your coach. Let's work on shining, okay? I will see you very soon. Bye, ladies.